create lang tayo and make sure na i-select nyo yung traffic and then content. Now, I don't use recommended settings. Mag-manual tayo. Then, sa may ad set level, wala kang gagalawin dyan. Punta ka lang sa ad set. Just make sure mo na yung conversion location mo is Instagram profile. So, yung goal ng performance nito is to maximize the number of Instagram profile visits. Okay, yan. Set mo lang yung daily budget mo, the start date, and ito yung trick. Now, you want to make sure na yung mga followers na bago, yung mag-follow, di ba? So, gagawin natin is sa audience, yan, dito yan. Mag-create ka lang ng custom audience. If meron ka ng IG follower dyan na ginawang custom audience, mas maganda. Pero, just click custom audience, Instagram account, and piliin mo lang yung mismong Facebook, Instagram mo, and pipiliin natin yung who started following this professional account. So, lalagyan natin dito, IG followers. Tama ba? Okay, yan. So, create audience tayo, and gagawa natin siya ng look-alike audience para mas mapataas natin yung reach niya. Make sure lang na you can go 1%. Ikaw ang bahala, pero better if 1%. So, create audience tayo. Yan. I-X mo na lang to, or you can exclude it. So, yan. Dito mo siya exclude. IG followers. If you have a minimum age, let's say, gusto mo yung 25 years old, so may certain demographics ka, then go ahead and change it. Yan, wala na tayo dito sa detailed targeting. Next tayo, yan. And maglalagay lang tayo ng creative. Next lang natin to. And kunwari ito yung aking creatives. Next lang. Okay. Tanggalin mo lang tong text improvement. Hindi ko yan nilalagay. Then, your ad copy, tapos sabihin mo sa kanila, follow us here on Instagram. Yan. So, ikaw ang bahala magawa ng caption mo. Next is, wala na. Yun na yun. Then, hit publish. Ganun lang siya kasimple.